Johnny crafts your dreams inside. Interior design that's got no height. From living rooms to where you dine, perfection every line. Johnny crafts interior. #1 design superior. Every corner, every space filled with love and grace. Landscaping dreams in green so bright. Your backyard turns to pure delight. Nature's touch in every sight. Johnny does it right. Johnny crafts your dreams inside. Interior design that's got no height. From living rooms to where you dine, perfection every line. Johnny crafts interior. #1 design superior. Every corner, every space filled with love and grace.